Today we're unboxing the DJI Ronin SC2 Pro Combo. Rule number 9. Always carry a knife. And we've got seals right here again. Let's go ahead and cut that open and open her on up. Alright, and as you can see, it looks like it comes in a nice carrying case. Pull that out. Here we've got some product manuals, also for the Raven image transmitter system as well. So it looks like there's a nice little zip pouch here on the front. Goes about this far back. Zip that up. That kind of covers it. Wish that was like a magnetic clamp, but it's not. Alright, and then it looks like there are 2 compartments here. One on the top and one on the bottom. So let's go ahead and open up the one on the top first. Got some protective packaging. It looks like a tripod stand. Mount. And a mount here for the phone. Looks like this is the one of the pieces for focusing. Another adapter plate. Looks like that's the either focusing ring. This is some kind of tube. I definitely need the manual for this thing. Some other adapter again. And again, some other kind of adapter thing. So we'll zip that up so we don't lose them. Let's open up this other pouch. Okay, this looks like it is the Raven transmitter. You can see here. Some desiccant. And a whole bunch of screws. So we'll go ahead and zip this back up again so it does not get lost until we actually start to set it all up. So we'll go ahead and zip this back up. And now we'll go ahead and open up the second compartment on the bottom. Got some more protective foam in the inside. Looks like all the different cables and cords that I should ever need have already been provided. And then we got the Ronin itself. It's very nice and compact, very sturdy. Taking out the additional packing foam. And it looks like that's just a picture of how it goes back inside of here. Alright, that's it. So thanks for watching this unboxing video. I'm going to go ahead and make another video here on actually setting this up for the first time. Go ahead and make sure you slap the like button if you haven't already, and also click on subscribe and turn on notifications so you don't miss a beat. And I'll catch you in the next one.